right, barely dodging a city bus. Heart racing, Ramirez watched the red sedan tailing close behind, its tires scraping the curb and sending sparks flying. "On my watch," he muttered, adrenaline pumping through his veins. With a quick flick of the wheel, he followed the reckless turn, feeling the cruiser slide dangerously close to the edge. The pavement felt like it was slipping away, but Ramirez's instincts kicked in. He gripped the steering wheel tighter, focusing on the road ahead. The chase was on, and he wasn't about to let them escape. Every second counted as they darted through the streets,